Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Steam user, you know how easy it is to rack up games and add-ons, but what if you need to check your purchase history? Maybe you're trying to track your spending, find a forgotten game, or just get organized. In this video, we'll walk you through how to see your purchase history on Steam in 2025, step by step. It's quicker than you think. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. Open the Steam app on your computer or go to the Steam website and sign in with your username and password. If you don't have two-factor authentication set up, it's a good idea to enable it for extra security. Steam might prompt you anyway in 2025. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your username. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account Details from there. This will take you to your Steam profile settings. Now, scroll down or look for the Store and Purchase History section. It's usually under the Store tab, but interfaces can evolve, so keep an eye out for any updates in 2025. Click on Purchase History, and you'll see a list of all your past purchases, including games, DLCs, and even refunds. You can filter by date, sort by amount, or search for specific items. Pretty cool, right? If you need to contact support about a purchase, this page has all the details you might need. One quick tip. If you're on a mobile device, the Steam app has a similar feature. Just tap the menu icon, go to Settings or Account, and find the Purchase History option. Remember, Steam updates frequently, so if things look a bit different in 2025, check their help pages for the latest info. And that's it, you've now mastered viewing your purchase history on Steam. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.